Dear class, today we are going to start our new unit, that is the sustainable development. So class, first of all the introduction part about your unit. So let's start with introduction part. Humans have strived for development ever since in the beginning of civilization. Development is considered as a great progress for improvement in the economical, political, social and cultural system. So sustainable development is the development which meets the needs of the present environment without compromising with the abilities for the future generations. So it is a duty that we can save our earth and natural environment. So this is the process of sustainable development which focuses on that improvement of lifestyle, our well-being and preserve the natural resources and the ecosystem. So this is the well concept of a sustainable development. So there are the various principles of a sustainable development like living with environmental limits, achieving a sustainability economy, promoting of good governance, using science responsibility and ensuring a strong and healthy society facilities. So besides these, there are also various principles of sustainable development like we can conserve our mother earth, minimize the depletion of non-renewable resources, keep the earth's carrying capacity, change attitudes and practices, and last one is the always enable communities to care for their own environments. So these are the basic principles of sustainable development. So our next one is that what are objectives of sustainable development. These are objectives are interrelated and interlinked with each other like social, political, environmental and economic. If we can talk about social means society. Here our society is divided into three different levels or classes which includes upper class, middle class and a lower class. Second one is the political component which includes our government rules, regulations, making of policies. Third one is an environment. Environmental includes the area in which we live. It includes molecules, atoms, air, water. Last one is the economic component which is related with the money like demand, price, supply, etc. Our next question arises that what are the measures for sustainable development? First one is the improvement in the technology. We live in a very fast world. Here all new technologies are invented day by day. We should follow the concept of 3R. Here R means the resources. Next is the we can promote environmental education and awareness among the various types of people in our society. Utilization of resources properly. And last one is the improve the quality of life by following the various components which include social, cultural and the economic dimensions. So there are the various suggestions that how we can make the sustainable development. We need to spread social awareness among the society that they can save our water, motherland, environment. Next one, we should take a action against the backdrop of serious inequality which can harm our environment and which can have a great impact on environment. Next suggestion which is very important that environment mistakes of the past need not to be repeated again and again, otherwise it can causes a lot of problems. So besides this, there are various international efforts to promote and implement sustainable development. Like our government launched various programs in the different years like in 1992, in 1997, in the year 2015, 2016 and 2019. These are the various programs which can help to promote and implement sustainable development. So in the end I want to say that save our motherland and save our earth. That was a great gift, beautiful gift that was given by the God.